Okay, so what I've done is I've ran the camera down the branch line that goes from the master bath to the trunk line that runs out into the yard. You can still see more debris sitting in there. As I pull back, this fitting right here is the clean out on the left hand side looking from the street towards the house. I'm already at that spot, so I'm going to pull back and show you what we got going on here. So what just fell over looks like scale. It's typical of stuff that forms inside a sewer line. It's just a buildup of whatever gets flushed down the toilet. And we go further back. So this is the point where I stopped because I saw the scale in the buildup. But if you notice, there's just a whole bunch of stuff just deposited in this one spot. A good reason why we probably have a bunch of stop-ups is because there's just a belly in the line that's just letting all this stuff just sit here and accumulate. So right now I'm just exiting the sewer line. This is the vent. Just behind the toilet, and this is the actual sewer line going in. First fitting we come up to should be the shower and the lavatory. And then another fitting there. It's going to be the either shower or lavatory again. More than likely a shower.